Hey everyone, welcome back. We're about to kick off something really exciting, a deep dive that I think a lot of you are going to find incredibly useful.
Yeah, this is going to be big.
Over the next 10 episodes, we're going to explore something called prompt engineering.
Which, let's face it, is becoming essential for anyone who really wants to leverage the power of AI.
It's true, right? It's like AI is this incredibly powerful tool.
Oh, absolutely.
But if you don't know how to use it properly,
You're missing out on like 90% of its potential.
it's like having a supercar and only driving it in first gear.
Perfect analogy.
This deep dive is going to be your guide to shifting into overdrive. We'll be following along with George Tome's Generative AI Professional Prompt Engineering Guide.
A fantastic resource, by the way.
Absolutely. So for anyone who's got that book, grab it, follow along. But even if you don't worry. We'll break down everything right here.
We've got you covered.
So let's start with the basics. Episode 1. What exactly is prompt engineering?
Well, at its core, prompt engineering is the art of communicating effectively with AI.
Okay, so it's more than just typing a question into ChatGPT.
Way more. It's about understanding how AI models process information and then crafting your requests, your prompts, in a way that gets you the best possible results.
So almost like learning a new language.
You could say that. And that's actually a great segue to episode 2, where we dive into understanding AI language models.
Right, because they don't think exactly like us, do they?
Nope, not quite. We'll talk about things like tokenization.
Tokenization.
Yeah, it's basically how AI breaks down language into smaller units. Like, the word walking might get split into walk and ing, each part with its own meaning. Understanding that helps you write clearer prompts.
Fascinating. Okay,
Yeah.
So we're learning the AI lingo.
Exactly. Then, in episode 3, we put it all into practice.
The rubber hits the road. We're writing prompts.
We'll be crafting effective prompts, looking at what makes a good prompt versus a bad one. And trust me, the difference in the results can be huge.
Can't wait for that one. Then, episode 4, we get to start giving AI some orders.
You got it. We call that instruction-based prompting. You can tell the AI exactly what you want in terms of format, style, tone. You can even say, write this in the style of Shakespeare, or make this sound like a news report. It's pretty cool.
Okay, that's starting to sound seriously powerful. But it's not all sunshine and roses, is it? What about AI bias?
Excellent point. That's why we dedicate episode 6 to handling ambiguity and bias in AI outputs. We learn how to craft prompts that minimize the risk of the AI misinterpreting what we want or spitting out biased information.
That's crucial. I mean, we're all aware that AI can have some blind spots.
Absolutely, and we'll explore how to address those head-on.
I'm already getting so many ideas for how to use this stuff, so where do we go from there?
Well, in episode 5, we level up our skills with some advanced prompt structuring techniques, like a few-shot prompting where you give the AI some examples to guide it.
Oh, like showing it the kind of output you're looking for.
Exactly. And there's chain-of-thought prompting, which helps the AI reason through more complex tasks step by step.
Sounds pretty intense.
It is, but in a good way. It really opens up the possibilities.
I can imagine. Then, episode 7, we get a bit more specific.
We do. That's where we explore domain-specific prompting. Whether you're working in healthcare, finance, law, or any specialized field, you'll learn how to tailor your prompts to get the most relevant and accurate results.
Okay, this is feeling less like magic and more like, a real skill we can develop.
That's exactly the point. It's about taking control and making AI work for you, not the other way around.
Love it. What's next?
Well, in episode 8, we get into testing and refining our prompts.
So it's not just write a prompt and you're done.
Not if you want the absolute best results. We'll cover strategies for evaluating and improving your prompts over time, using techniques like A/B testing.
Interesting. It's like optimizing a website, but for AI.
Exactly. You're getting it. Then, episode 9 takes things a step further and looks at automating and scaling prompt engineering.
Wait, so you can automate this stuff?
To a degree, yes. We'll explore tools and techniques for creating prompts more efficiently, using templates and even scripting.
Wow, this is getting seriously advanced. And then the grand finale, episode 10.
Episode 10 is all about the future of prompt engineering. We'll look at cutting-edge advancements like adaptive prompting and even the potential for AI to improve its own prompts.
So AI writing prompts for itself, that's mind-blowing.
It is, and it points to just how important prompt engineering is going to be in the years to come.
I can't wait to see where it all goes. This has been such an exciting preview. For everyone listening, I hope you're as pumped as we are to dive into the world of prompt engineering. Make sure to join us each week as we explore all 10 episodes of this series.
It's going to be a fantastic journey, and we're thrilled to have you along for the ride. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be speaking AI like a pro.
And who knows, maybe even writing better prompts than the AI itself. See you next time.